Is your website causing you hours of stress, not being able to sleep, and it's costing you a fortune? Imagine you have an AI tool that can act as your assistant 24/7 to watch over your website and make sure that everything's going right. I'm going to reveal that AI tool that's going to allow you to sleep at night and to scale your business. So let's take a look at this tool. This tool allows you to manage hosting, but in an intelligent way. Now, think about what you're trying to do. Maybe you're trying to run an e-commerce business, you're trying to scale your online business or brand. This is what you're going to be able to do with the new Cloudways Copilot. Now, this will allow you to troubleshoot insights by using a one-click automated issue resolution, and you're going to be able to really manage your entire hosting using AI. Let's look at some key features right here. Now, let's talk about what they have right now and then what they're planning to release in the near future. The first part is the AI-powered insights. So this will allow you to look at the critical aspects of your hosting and see how you can make sure that everything's running smoothly and resolve those things. But not only that, you're going to be able to do a couple other things in the near future. Number one, you'll have automated developer workflows. So you can have more productivity to be able to have routine workflows, and you're going to have automated resolution. Now, this is interesting. This way, you're going to be able to execute common tasks instantly. So if you need to purge cache, basically, if you're having trouble with your website loading, things like that, it's going to be able to do that automatically. Now, the AI-powered insights, what you'll be able to have is issue detection, issue diagnostics, and recommendations of what you need to be doing. And right now, you can actually sign up for access to have that right now. Now, this is something really interesting right here. It's saying that you can resolve issues 4 times faster using Copilot. And this is just because it's already going to be proactive in letting you know what's going on with your website and what you can be doing. If you're interested, make sure in the comment section down below, let us know. And use the link down below to get started to use Copilot. If you run an e-commerce business, a personal brand, this is a perfect tool to eliminate all the stress and worry about your business, about your website, and what's going to happen. This allows you to scale quickly and make sure that it's affordable for you. Make sure that you join the wait list right now and let us know about your business and what you want to see in our next video.